With just a breath, it could effortlessly swallow the entire solar system. This is the terrifying stellar behemoth lurking in the abyss. 20,000 light-years from Earth, Stephenson, 2-18. Scientists have calculated that even a slight pulsation from it releases enough energy to sustain human civilization for hundreds of millions of years. In 1990, astronomer Charles Stephenson was scanning the direction of the Cygnus constellation in the Milky Way when he accidentally discovered a peculiar star cluster, NGC 6611. Among its members, the 18th star shone far brighter than its stellar peers. It was named Stephenson 218, but it wasn't until recent years that humanity realized its true nature. With a radius 2,150 times that of the Sun, it could hold 10 billion suns within it. If you were to fly around it at the speed of light, it would take a full 8.6 hours, whereas the Sun's circumference is about 437,000 kilometers, meaning light could circle it in just 1.45 seconds. This dark red giant, with a surface temperature of 3,200 degrees Celsius, has a density 1,000 times lower than the most extreme. Vacuum achievable in Earth's laboratories. If placed where the Sun is, its edges would extend beyond Saturn's orbit, and the 8 planets would quickly disintegrate under its intense heat and gravitational disturbances. Even crazier, its gravity is so weak that the force of blood flowing in your veins could send you drifting into space. Yet this red supergiant has already expanded to its limit and will go supernova within a few million years. The star cluster where Stephenson 218 resides is known as a graveyard for red supergiants. These colossal entities were born from the same stellar nursery, yet their differing masses lead them to vastly different fates. The more massive a star, the more intense its nuclear reactions. The faster it evolves and the sooner it dies. Stephenson 218 has existed for only a few million years, while the Sun will live for 10 billion. When its core fuel is exhausted, it will tear itself apart in a supernova explosion, releasing energy bright enough to outshine the entire Milky Way. In the end, its remnants may collapse into a black hole, while the ejected material will give birth to the next generation of stars. Standing before Stephenson 2-18, Earth wouldn't even register as a speck of dust. Yet it is the tiny life forms on this speck that have used mathematics, physics, and imagination to measure the deepest wonders of the universe. Its existence reminds us that the universe has never cared for humanity, but humanity will always yearn for the cosmos,